Good morning, my tutor and fellow classmate. My name is Muhammad Ashraf Shafi'i. I am from OUMH 1303, English for Oral Communication. Today, I would like to deliver a speech titled How to Care for Cat in Urban Living Environment. In today's modern style, many people live in cities, often in apartments or small houses. Despite limited space, many still choose to keep pets, especially cats, because they are independent and adaptable animals. However, caring for a cat in an urban environment is different compared to living in village or landed house. It requires proper knowledge, planning, and responsibility. In this speech, I will share 5 simple practical steps on how to care for a cat in an urban home. Urban cat care need the right approach. First, choosing the right cat is very important. Not all cats are suitable for urban living. If you live in an apartment, it's better to choose an indoor cat that has calm and gentle personality. For example, breeds like British Shorthair and Ragdoll are known to be more relaxed and less aggressive. They are suitable for smaller space and do not require too much outdoor activity. Based on my own experience, my cat is quite shy and prefers staying indoor. This actually makes it easier to manage in urban setting. So always consider the cat personality and behavior before adopting one. Preparing a suitable living space is next. You need to prepare safe and comfortable living space for your cat. If your house is small, your cat still need to own area. There are three basic things every cat owner must prepare. First, a litter box. Make sure a place is quiet and clean area. Clean it daily to avoid bad smell and maintain hygiene. Second, scratching post. Cats naturally scratch things to sharpen their claws. Without a scratching post, your furniture might be damaged. Third, ensure safety. If you live in a high-rise apartment, make sure windows and balcony are secure to prevent your cat from falling. Well-prepared environment help your cat feel safe and reduce stress. Feeding and nutrition. The third step is providing proper food and nutrition. Cat needs balanced diet to stay healthy. You can feed them dry food, wet food, or combination of both. It's important to follow regular feeding schedule, usually 2 or 3 times a day. Always make sure your cat has access to clean and fresh water at all times. Avoid giving human food, as some food like chocolate, onion, and salty food can be harmful to cats. Proper nutrition will help your cat stay active, healthy, and live longer. Hygiene and healthcare. The fourth step is maintaining your cat hygiene and health. Even though cats clean themselves, they still need proper grooming. Brush their fur regularly to reduce shedding and prevent hairballs. You should also bring your cat to the vet for very regular checkup and vaccination. Keeping your cat clean and healthy is not only important for the cat, but also for your own living environment, especially in small urban homes. Mental stimulation and exercise. Finally, do not forget about your cat mental stimulation and exercise. Cat living indoor can easily get bored. This can lead to stress or destructive behavior. To avoid this, provide toys such as a ball, feather stick, or laser pointer. Spend time playing with your cat every day. Interaction is very important, and even simple activity like talking to your cat or petting it can strengthen your bond. A happy cat is a healthy cat. Always remember, indoor cats need entertainment. Conclusion: cat need love and responsibility. To conclude what I am sharing today, caring for a cat is an urban environment requires proper planning, responsibility, and commitment. By choosing the right cat, preparing a safe living space, providing proper nutrition, maintaining hygiene, and ensure mental stimulation, you can give your cat a happy and comfortable life even a small house. Having a cat is not just about keeping a pet, but it's about providing love, care, and responsibility. I hope these tips I share today will help you better understand how to care for a cat in urban environment. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Nadira Ashrafrans and I've watched his speech video. Overall, I think his speech clearly achieved its purpose, which is to instruct. The steps he explained were easy to understand and practical, especially for people who want to take care of a cat in an urban environment. One of his strengths is that his speech is well organized. The points are clear and flow nicely from the introduction until the conclusion. I also like his use of visual aids because it helped me understand the content better. However, I think he can improve by being more expressive with his facial expressions and using more hand gestures to make the presentations more engaging. He can also include more real life examples to make it more interesting. Overall, I think it is a good and informative speech.